Big Mama. We're going to teach her about adding and subtracting negative numbers.
Adding and subtracting negative numbers is easy if you learn a few simple rules. To begin with, every number has an opposite. Every number is either a negative or a positive. For example, negative 5 or positive 5, negative 10 or positive 10, any number you can think of has an opposite. Whenever adding numbers, if both numbers are the same charge, for example, positive 5 plus positive 6, you add the numbers, then assign to the total. The sign is positive since both numbers are positive, so we assign positive to 11. Now, if both are negative, so negative 5 plus negative 6, the answer is still 11, but the charge is negative since both 5 and 6 are negative. If you are adding numbers with different charges, then you simply subtract the numbers, then assign the sign. Let me explain. For example, positive 2 plus negative 7. You take the bigger number 7 and subtract the smaller number 2, which is 5. Now you need to sign the sign. The 2 has a positive sign and the 7 has a negative sign. You assign the 5 with the charge of the bigger number, which is 7. Since 7 had the negative charge, you assign 5 with the negative. So your final answer is negative 5. Remember, you assign the sign of the bigger number you are working with. But what about subtracting them? The answer is simple. You change the subtraction equation to an addition by flipping the signs. Positive 5 minus negative 6 is the same as positive 5 plus the opposite of negative 6, or positive 5 plus positive 6. Now we apply what we just learned. Since both 5 and 6 have the same charge now, we add them and assign the sign. The answer is positive 11. Let's do a few more examples. Negative 33 minus positive 3. We change the equation from a subtraction to an addition by flipping the positive 3 to a negative 3. That makes the new equation negative 33 plus negative 3. Since the charges are the same, you add them. 33 plus 3 equals 36. Now assign the sign. Both are negative, so 36 is a negative. Now for another example. Negative 25 minus 5. We flip the 5 to positive 5 and change the minus to a plus. Negative 25 plus 5. Since the charges are different, we subtract the numbers. 25 minus 5 equals 20. We assign the sign to the number. Since 25 is the bigger number and 25 has the negative charge, the answer is negative 20. In summary, whenever adding any number, if the charges are the same, you add the numbers and assign the sign. If the charges are different, you subtract the numbers and assign the sign. Always assign the sign of the bigger number. That is a very important concept to remember.
Big Mama, have you learned to count your chickens yet? I don't think so.